Yeah, welcome everyone to another trucking video. Today we also have some loading going on that I want to get over with. I still have like half of a half of a load. Like I still have 3 more pallets over there, and I'm gonna get those done right now. But it shouldn't take too long. I've just prepared them outside here. I thought might as well start recording here. So let's just do some loading, you know. I do need to fill it up with 6, and right now I have 3. This is the 4th. I think I'll need to open up another bracket here, pretty much. Okay, that's still a little bit too deep. Pull it out. Like that. I think I need to push it in slightly, yeah. Yeah, it does need to get pushed in. Yeah, there we go. And now I need to climb up. Yeah. This is what solo loading looks like. I need to make sure that these lashes are over on the edge, or like over the pallet rather, so that I can access the next one and so on. I will load the last one and then I will sort all these shenanigans out. Yeah, I think one more should be enough space for one more, but yeah, we'll see. Like, the weather is just weird. Like, it's relatively cold, but it's also raining, and then like since I've lived here, there hasn't been like a single, when it's winter and what's it called, spring and fall, it's always either like if it's not raining every day, it's raining every second day at the very least. It's that much rain here. It's ridiculous. Yeah, we good. Done. I think slightly more forward. Yeah, push it like here. Just like that. Okay, now we need to do a bunch of lashing. I need to let it load, because otherwise, yeah, it's gonna somebody's gonna need to push it down all the way to the loading dock. Yay. This is why trucking is yeah, not the most gratifying work, or like the easiest of jobs, but you know, come on. Okay, that should be good enough. And so, back on the normal roads. Hopefully there's no closure, no sudden construction site popping up. There's actually been a few. Like, I was on this particular route, I was driving here last week, and just in a week worth of time, just there's 3 new construction sites. it's insane, but yeah, it's to be expected. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning here, and I'm not even sure where this is exactly, but East Germany, and it's majestic almost. There's no better word that fits it. For some odd reason, also my Bluetooth suddenly today decided to start acting up for whatever reason. It disconnects itself, then I need to turn the radio on and off. Like, it's the first time I'm having these issues, and it's genuinely weird because it never did that. So hopefully it's not a big problem, but yeah. I am also decently tired. I did take a break, of course, because we are this is, I think, the 6th hour in, 5.5, something like that. So this is coming up to the 6th hour of driving, and yeah, I did take a 45-minute break, slept for maybe 20 minutes or so, and then on the way immediately, because I want to get, like, it's gonna be 7 o'clock or 7 a.m. once I get to the unloading spot, and my truck is acting up for some weird reason. But yeah. One other slight problem that I have is that my glasses broke, sunglasses. So I'll need to get myself a new pair eventually. They were like €2, so they were really cheap, and they did last me for like a year. So I probably should be sufficient, or should be said that they did, you know, last what they beyond their how much they were worth, in my opinion. But yeah, it's a shame they broke, but I'll just get myself new ones, probably a little bit more durable ones than I did. And I need like actually like maybe a little bit but it's still surprisingly cold, even though it's you know, spring going into summer. You know, there's still it's still 2 months away, but I think last year it was hotter than it is now. I'm not too sure, but yeah. But yeah, it just goes to show you never know what type of weather you will receive year by year. But I just hope it doesn't get too hot, like 40 degrees and 40 and above. That's a pain. That's a real pain. Like you're just in a cooker if you don't have a AC unit.
600 meters, turn left.
Alright, we will. 14 minutes out, which is great.
400 meters, turn left. Onto L2171, in the direction of Altenburg Zentrum.
Does he follow me? No.
Curve left. Turn left.
We turning left here.
Follow the route for 3.8 kilometers.
Yeah. Grass is already being cut.
Curve right.
The more I look at the scenery, the more I'm like, I want to live here. Thinking to myself, you know, it's way better than living in an apartment, like a 1-bedroom apartment. If you have something like that in a tall building where you can't really get out in a big city, you know, properly, with there being a lot of traffic and everything. I wish I had my glasses now, but they're in the trash. Sunglasses, of course. Unlucky. Unlucky. But the sun will dip here below the ridge, I think. A little bit. I hope on my way back that it's not gonna be in my face. I don't think it will, but you know, maybe at times.